yun yung commodity na tinatawag, no? Ang video game kasi parang ganun tinitreat, no? Dun sa collecting game o sa video game collecting scene.
Can it set over a land at peace? Today is such.
Hear me, marshals! You.
Diba? Nagamit ko na this year yung sa akin. So, parang yung next year, hindi ko sure kung pwede na siyang gamitin ng January. So, something na itatanong. Nasa sayo na. Ganon din, no? Kapag binigay mo siya dun sa sayo, sa sarili mo, sa yung value or yung pera, no, is hinulog mo sa bank. Kasi parang nangyari doon, you have the actual physical hardware, pero ang problema doon is hindi mo na siya malaro kasi yung display na kakailanganin para
Talking about the boss?
Why do you do it? Weren't you born and raised in America?
Yes, in a small rural town. I never even knew there were other countries, other cultures, other ways.
Putang ina mo. Ako. Bobo mo.
He is self-appointed. Work stoppage was his idea.
Yeah, well, I'm just passing through. Got an embassy to attend.
Parang nag-create ka ng copy na parang kinopy mo yung data na to papunta dito. Diba? So parang nag-propagate yung data. Diba? Ganun yung sense ng Web 2. Pero
To cover! Archers on the ridge!
Pala takasan. Hindi pala pwede tamaan yung hayop na yun.
In the jungle.
baga practicality lang, no, at least on my case, na where's the case sorry, where's the shelves, di ba? Kasi ang current ngayon, kung halimbawa, na-acquire mo yung game, no, in a, sabihin natin, in an illegal way, na-acquire mo yung effect na nila is more like digital signal compare before na analog signal siya. 'Di ba? And then, ito something din siya na parang, I don't know, medyo niche.
Kaya to.
And use it as leverage in his bid for power.
Army of demons, vanquished by a red-haired champion? So I'm inclined to believe you. The burden of your task is written across your face clearer than any mark of mine. I'll grant you this, to serve as proof of your right to...
I totally enjoyed that, no? Ano to? Killzone Shadowfall. Yan, hindi ako masyado sa shooter, no, pero kapag yung shoot nila at on a bigger scale, 'di ba? So, I don't know kung maabutan pa natin, no? Yung parang pinakamagandang time to visit Japan.
Ito yung Fatal Frame na may multiple protagonists. Yes.
This could be even hotter than Cuba.
I don't like it. Something about the whole thing stinks.
I agree. You'd better hurry.
Sokolov ran off by himself, but I'll catch up to him.
We're counting on you.
Tiger.
So, yung tag dito, yung notification, hindi agad na what do you call this? Hindi agad na nagte-take
Take cover.
Uy! Die, bitches!
Come on. Keep blocking, then use a heavy attack or a power attack to break through. Either that or hit them from behind.
Journalist, no? Ang rating nila sa game 9 out of 10. Tapos para mga weeks after nilang ilatha
don't. Okay, let's see where this leads. That the strength?
All right.
That the strength to stand alone? Is the strength to make a stand?
May husok dal dito. Napayat ako nakakuha ang dal dito eh.
O yung parang yung content ng laro, no? Hindi niya owned 'yon talaga. Sorry. Kasi parang
Kuryente siya, sir.
Swamp. After the swamp, there'll be a warehouse. Make your way through the warehouse and you'll come out just south of the lab.
Got it.
protective sila kasi ayaw nilang galawin, no, or what. No, ayaw nilang i-reverse engineer yon, anything. Why not i-open up nila yon, and then ang mangyari is
bubukas siguro mamaya itong pintura.
and then you try to absorb kung ano yung mga sinabi niya na parang something na as a casual, no, ng maybe the franchise, no, kung part ng
Gusto mo maglakad, sir? Para ka naman naglalakad sa bundok niya. Nakita mo nangahampas nga yung mga multo eh. Umiitik. Kanya-kanya pa kayo dalang pamalo ah.
To serve a purpose greater than myself.
ASG, UK, tsaka JP. So, dito ka muna, Beth. Utang na loob, no? Oh, Daniel Digat Santos. Hello, sir. What?
No matter And now, I'll carry them with me. Into the Forbidden West.
Yun.
So ngayon, ito yung tinatry na isolve ng Web3. 'Di ba? Yan yung tinatry na isolve ng Web3. So, itong monetary policy na to, no?
I should go.
I'll be.
Dito, hindi nag-succeed yung verification na to, so hindi mo ma-access yung content, 'di ba? So gaya ng example natin kanina, nung nag-down, that includes but is not limited to digital preservation. Such preservation efforts includes archiving developments, source code, and art. Diba? Kasi it's purely based on emotion. Sometimes. Diba? Sometimes. Kaya minsan, no, yung
Get ready!
There are sentries posted around the perimeter. I wonder how many are inside.
Special stream to. Patapos na rin to eh. Nice angle sa piano kanina, kaya nga eh. Ayan, kita yung ano.
Who's that?
Blowing, so we're stuck picking up the pieces.
You need the whisk.
Me and my handler, cause if we and my people
Elven Home.
another supply ng game, 'di ba? So minting. So ngayon ang idea dito sa minting process is yung NFT. So ito yung kailangang secure.
Well, now that that's done, the embassy can finally get underway.
Defector, you're going to nuke your fellow Russians? the Alamo.
Colonel!
Sony, no? So, yan ang mangyari dyan, yung purchasing ng game is hindi na siya parang directly, no? Yung community, directly dun sa platform. No? Although, pwede pa rin.
Do you copy? You're already in enemy territory, and somebody might be listening in. From here on out, we'll be using code names to refer to each other. Your code name for this mission will be...
Diba? Libot mo na yung buong Hong Kong dyan. Punta ka ng Macau. Diba? Dumiretso ka na ng Macau niyan. Diba? Para makatikim ka ng lutong Macau. Diba? Para masubukan mo lang.
Stand alone. There's the strength to make a stand.
It's dangerous to be out in the jungle at night without a guide.
What about you?
I have to get back. I can't be gone for too long. They'll start to suspect something.
Bibili ng tao. Kumbaga parang meron ng transaction involved dyan. So, yun yung viability ng blockchain. No? Doon papasok yun. Kumbaga parang si Sony, okay, market.
Alright, good evening sa inyo guys. Good evening, Jerome and Mafty. Kakain ka ng ahas, sir? Yes. Si Snake.
To play the game first. Kasi kung something siya na parang okay sa'yo, and then majority ng mga gamers hindi okay sa kanila. I mean, 'di ba? Hindi naman masama 'yo.
MGS na lang laruin natin. Saka ko na itutuloy ito.
Your mission. You're not even armed.
Boss!
Yung mga ganong games. That's why mahirap din, no? Mahirap i-preserve yung mga lumang games, especially kung yung source code ng final build is
Hadoken yan eh.
safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first, and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
I've spotted 2 enemy soldiers.
They're probably KGB troops sent to guard Sokolov.
AK-47s and grenades.
You don't know the truth yet. But sooner or later you'll...
Even if it meant killing me in the process, or so it would seem.
So, you've returned from...
The Bristlebacks were being penned by Tenakth rebels on the other side of the mountains. Ulven's...
Actually, alak, sugal, kape, no? I don't know, babae kasama, pero sigarilyo kasama na rin, no? Alak, sugal, ganun. Dito sa...
This is HQ.
Patrol here. No problems detected.
Understood. Return to your position.
You won't get away from me! Ah.
Oh. Creepy shit, ha? Meron pa.
They need cover! Cover fire!
Come out and play! Get him!
Web3. Ewan ko narinig yun na itong Web3. Diba? Ayan ang Web3. So, meron tayong Web2 na tinatawag. Tsaka Web1. Kaya nga may Web3 eh. So, yung Web3 is parang version
natin. 5 bata yung ano. Tapos parang tinatawag sila ng island na bumalik dito. May something na...
no. Nandun ako minsan nakikinig sa mga small YouTuber eh. Hindi mo sa nakikinig in a sense na parang, alam mo yun, na depende pa rin, no? Kung if I agree dun sa ano pa ba? Basta anything about useful thing na pwede mong magamit, 'di ba? And could attribute a value. So yun yung
what a joyful scene.
Nakakapagod yung balik-balik eh. Spider.